Mom's gonna kill me. I barely passed math.
Oh. Hey, let's play a game. $10 to whoever says me too.
Okay.
What is 10 plus 10?
20.
Add 5.
25.
Now double that.
50.
And that's how much I got for my math exam.
You got 52? 52.
Thank you.
Mom, school is so stressful.
Thanks,
Mom. Yeah.
Hey, you.
Dad? I lost so much weight.
Oh, how much?
Back then, I weighed 220.
America.
Wow, you look good now.
Yep, helps that I'm tall. Hit that 6.
Oh, your family very tall.
Yep, Mom says it's because of the weather. It's always a good 80.
Hey, coffee, tea, or me? I'll go. Me? Mom, get me out of here, please. I don't want to be here. Take me with you. Don't leave me here, please. No, Oi, get off my sofa. How are you doing that? Doing what? You monster!
$1 pancake.
That's it?
$10 pancake.
$100
pancake.
Now we're talking. I got some here. Huh? What is it, Mom?
Nah, I made your favorite. Come, take it.
Thanks, Mom. Your pancakes are the best. Nothing else is better. Oh no, there's only one ice cream left.
Guess we have to share.
Wait, I have an idea. First, tell Dad the car's running away. What? He'll panic, run outside, and work up a sweat. When he's done, he'll come back feeling hot and thirsty. He'll go into the kitchen, see us holding up the last ice cream. Knowing him, he'll say,
Kids, give
no!
just one bite.
Okay. As we expected. So then we just go, Mom! And that's how we get more. David is on TV again! Let's watch his show together!
David's new show is Moochie watching intensely.
You ரொம்ப கூப்பிடுறீங்க.
You can tell him!
Just a little bit.
என்ன நடக்குதுப்பா? எப்படி பண்றீங்க?
Ooh, you're so sexy when you speak another language. Dude, can you talk dirty to me in Tamil?
It's not a good.
What do you say, guys? What do you say?
Moments in life.
It's cold.
Hey, oh yeah. Hi, yes, good to see you. Hi. Nice to see you. Oh my god. Yeah.
These glasses let you hear the brutally honest truth, but it'll cost 5 years of life.
Wait, I forgot. Teacher, will I be able to pass my exam at this rate? Of course. I see your potential and I believe in you. You can do it. You idiot. You're the worst student I ever got. I also don't know how to help you. Teacher, you lied. Hey, I need to rent. Can we talk?
Oh yeah, sure. Just give me a moment. Oh my god, she needs to rent again. So she think the world revolves around her?
Never mind, I'll just go. The truth hurts. I hate this. Girl, you got F again for your exam? Why are you so stupid and useless? You know Cheryl Tan, she got 100 out of 100, you know, but you got an F.
Just
oh
want
God,
you
why
to
you
have a
gonna
better
take
future
my
than
exam?
me
What are you gonna
and
do?
live the life I couldn't have. That's all I want.
Enter Caroline. Just trust me, you'll be fine. ஐயோ என திகைக்கும் என வியக்கும் ஐகளுக்கெல்லாம் விடுமுறையை அவள் தந்து விட்டாள் அவள் வந்து விட்டாள்.
Fine, let's do it.
You know what I'm thinking, see it in your eyes. You hate that you want me, hate it when you cry. It ain't working cause you're perfect, and I know that you're worth it. I can't walk away.
I asked my mom.
What's for dinner? Mom, did you see my phone? I can't seem to find it, Mom. Where is it? Mom! Mom! Mom, I need a parent's signature.
Things I ask my dad.
Dad? Mom? I don't know why y'all keep saying to let him cook, but David cannot cook. David, could you make me some tea?
Oh, sure.
It's just tea. Can't go wrong with tea, right? Never mind. How about you go prepare the pasta?
Oh, okay.
No. How about you go prepare the rice instead? Yeah, go wash it, okay?
Sure, of course.
Can anyone ruin pasta? David, no.
I see versus what my Asian mom sees.
Me, I'm going out.
What my Asian mom sees.
Mommy, I'm going out now to meet my ring-a-ding daddy can. Bye-bye. Girl, you stop right there.
What I see.
What did 0 say to 8? Nice bell.
What my Asian mom sees.
You are my everything. 별처럼 쏟아지는 운명에.
What I see.
Sorry, my mom made you go early.
It's alright. I'll see you tomorrow in school.
Yep.
See you.
What my Asian mom sees.
Need help. Not ready to be a mom. Mommy, can I go out? Have you finished your homework? Done. But are you top in class? Yep. But you're not in Harvard. But are you doctor yet? How can I help you, ma'am? But you're not a lawyer. Objection. What? I'm also married with 2 kids, both already accepted by Harvard, and I'm rich. Okay, you can go out. One or don't want challenge. David first. One or don't want?
Don't want. Free dinner. Remember I said yes?
Don't try to trick me.
Okay.
100% integrity.
Okay, fine. Okay, good try.
Wow, this one very good one.
Yes.
Wow, so pristine, so clean. You're doing a very good job. One or don't want?
One.
I think not bad also.
No.
Remember this?
Steal your pinky.
One or don't want?
One.
You sure or not? I give you second chance, ah?
Okay. No. Don't want.
Don't want, ah?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. It's good for me, I didn't say it's good for you.
I don't play anymore. I quit. Look, guys, I don't see her that way. No, there's no spark. I'm still healing. Okay, look, I just can't stand. I'm not into girls.
Brother,
Ah, shit! Paper cut! Mom? Do you have a band-aid? Oh, Mom! Dad? I'm hurt! Can you help me?
it's that boy, isn't it? Get him.
Dad, no! Wait. Grandma? Do you see my finger? Do you have a band-aid? Can you see it?
Yes, dear, beautiful as always.
Bro? You see this? A paper hurt me! Can you believe it's paper? Isn't it funny? Do you have a band-aid?
Weak.
Parents expect kids to react.
time to study.
Hey, wanna be besties?
Are you top 3 in class?
No.
Oh.
boy, here's your $10 weekly allowance.
$10? I don't need so much, Mom. Please, take it back.
Good boy. Boy, you studied for 16 hours. Take a break.
You're right, Mom. I'll wash the toilet and do the chores. It helps me relax.
99 out of 100. You cry. You cry some more. Stop crying right now.
Mom, you hit very good. Hit some more.
How to impress Asian mom. Magic trick.
Nope.
White hat.
Nope.
Doing
Mom, I'm a
everything
doctor,
right.
graduated from Harvard, and I've done all my chores.
Okay.
Nope.
Got you, Mom. It's just the HDMI, Mom.
Chicken and rice again. Ma, can we eat at a restaurant, please?
Restaurant.
Yeah, for a change. What is going on?
Nah. 5-star restaurant.
Huh? Chicken and rice again.
Oh, what's the answer? Tell me now. What is 7 plus 5? Huh? And you? Do you know the answer? What is it?
It's 12. Dad, I'm hungry.
Here, no crust, just the way you like. Dad, I'm hungry too.
Dad, can I get $200 to buy more toys?
$200? Oh, buy yourself a toy. Oh, buy two. Buy two. Dad, can I? No. But I didn't even. Ask your mom.
Real Thoughts versus Sky Thoughts Part 2.
I like yours better.
I like mine better too.
That's it? No offer to switch drinks? That's how little he cares about my feelings? What is he thinking? He's smiling to himself, smiling in this situation. He's definitely thinking about another girl. There's no other possible explanation. He doesn't love me. He only wants to switch drinks with another girl. Break up! You're telling me that she has an allergy? Yes, she's allergic to peanuts. Asian, no such thing as allergy. She's always eaten peanuts and she loves them. And that's why her face gets so swollen, red and itchy afterwards. No lies, because she never washed her face properly. That's why I got all the pimples. Ma'am, this is serious. Eating peanuts could actually kill her. If peanuts can kill my daughter, then I have no daughter!
These over the years. 1960.
Come, darling. The movie started. Nothing gets better than this.
2000.
Gosh, the graphics are so real! Nothing gets better than this.
2025.
Read out and add subtitles. Nothing gets better than this.
2080.
Oh my god, it's popping! This is gonna be awesome! F again? Such a disappointment. Why are you always...
Dad, is this the one that you can't do anything right?
Why did I forget to charge it? Wasted my makeup! No delivery! Huh? I ordered chicken! This is fish! This is the worst day ever!
Oh well.
Wow! Look at the sky! It's beautiful! Yay! Me time! No delivery!
Huh? I didn't order this.
Best day ever!
Sis, let me try.
Hey, Should I try?
Nah, my sis is saliva conscious.
Here, you want some?
Thanks.
Indirectly? No, you took my hoodie!
I didn't. How about you just take mine?
And had your smell all over me!
Sorry, I took the lead.
So is you! You see?
It's okay. Don't wash the hoodie. Your smell will make me feel like you're with me.
Here. Don't worry, I got you.
Thanks.
Where did it go?
I got you.
Boy, go and clean the kitchen.
Okay, Mom.
Finally can rest. Go and fold clothes instead lah.
Okay, Mom.
One simple thing also cannot. Ayo, boy, you go and cook dinner instead lah. Go. Ayo, this boy really don't know how to do and.
So tired. Hey Siri, tell my girlfriend I love her.
Okay, sending message to.
No, shut up!
Alright, sending message as requested.
Wait! No!
Everyone has the same name.
Right, is there a Miss Cheryl here?
Over here.
Okay, Miss Cheryl Tan? Okay, Cheryl Tan who's born in September? Okay, getting somewhere. Who's visiting for the first time? Nice. Now, who's allergic to seafood? What? Spy! Who is here because you have something stuck so far up your butt that you need help? Go away.
As a kid versus as an adult. As a kid.
That looks like a unicorn, and that one looks like a bunny. That's so pretty.
As an adult.
It looks like a butterfly?
As a kid.
Give me some more shoulder higher.
As an adult.
I love your shoulders.
Oh, thanks! I've been training since I was a kid.
As a kid.
Ooh, ice cream. Milkshake. Dessert.
As an adult.
Alright, this amount should be fine. I mean, it's just a tiny drop.
Asian mums.
Ado, what you doing? I'm studying! Oh, really? Kaya?
She was on her phone for 9 hours. That was to talk to her friend Hilda.
Ado? Kaya, you tricked her! This math question is so hard.
How can you not know this? Are you sure you're from this family? Try harder.
Yes, teacher Kaya. Mom, I'm going out. Have you done your homework?
Yes.
Kaya?
No, she didn't.
Here you go.
She did everything perfectly.
Okay, you can go out.
Yes. High five, Kaya.
And this here is my room.
Oh, this is nice.
You can't go in here.
Then where do you study?
Outside where parents can see us.
Do you have any drinks?
Oh yeah, sure. Let me get you some. Here you go.
Do you have anything else like soda or 100 plus?
What's that?
Alright, your house is nice, your mom's a little scary, and your room is neat. But I have a question. Where's your room door?
My own room door. We don't have that.
Good joke.
No, really, we don't have doors. All I have is a curtain.
Blingy.
I'm good. Xiaoming and I have this school project tomorrow. No. Mom, it'll just be the library downstairs. No meeting, boys.
Mom, I'll be staying over at Cheryl's house to do our project.
Okay. Must study hard,
I will. Bye-bye.
Yay, dinner! Rice again? Mom, can we order something else? Guess not.
Huh? Rice again? Mom, it's always rice. Can we order pizza or something?
Oh, true. Why we eat rice every day? Boring also. Let's order instead.
You're welcome.
Mom, I got a B in math, but I got an A in sports. Sports? Oh, my food! Sports not good. I help you in your...
Mom, I failed every subject, but I got an A in sports.
My boy is a genius. You're going to be such a pro athlete next time. Earn a lot of money for the family. Girl, you should love your brother.
Heard that?
What?
Hi everyone, meet my boyfriend. Boyfriend? So, what do you do?
Oh, I'm a doctor.
Doctor?
If you're sick, I can treat you for free.
Agak, this one good, huh?
I know, he's the best. Oh, hey, Grandma. Oh, hey, Jerry. Here, have a cookie.
This is the best thing I've ever tasted.
Really? I made it myself.
Yes, Grandma. You can start your own shop.
Oh, stop it, you.
Boyfriend? Why are you dating my daughter? Sir, you raised her so well. Like you, she's smart, strong, confident. With good looks, she clearly got you. Of course.
My toy bro!
Ayo, small matter.
There, I'll fix it. Where is it? Agak, looking for this?
How did you find it? This question is so hard.
Let me see. This one I know. First, must take a shaded area.
Mom can do everything. When I grow up, I want to be just like her.
Mommy, my toy is broken.
Don't worry, son. I can fix it. Mom! Hi.
Periods be like day 1,
Is anyone in the bed?
day 2, day 3,
I think it's stopped. Never mind.
day 4, day 5.
Oh my god, he's gone. He's fine.
In class over the years, primary school, middle school,
I'm sorry, Cha. I don't know why you keep crying. I'm trying to comfort him.
high school,
I'm so hungry.
Hungry? Here.
university,
Triangle, you have to. Who's eating in my? This is David, and David really likes his personal. This is Celine, and Celine also really likes David's personal space.
One love for the mother's pride. One love for the times we cried. One love, gotta stay alive. I will survive. One love.
Alright, one nasi goreng and mutton biryani coming right up.
Hey, can I go out today? Normal people, sure, have fun. Asian mom, have you done your homework? How about cleaning your room? Why are you always going out? Who are you going with? You know them? Them? In a group of people? Girl or boy? There's a boy? Which school is this boy from? How long have you known him? Where are you heading? Why are you going there? Do you want to ruin your life? Are you trying to get pregnant? Are you trying to... Eating my parents' place and you notice that the food is expired. What do?
Fold them and throw it away.
What? That's food wastage and disrespect.
But it's way past the expiration date.
Experiment with my stomach date. If there's no smell, it's all well.
That literally has mold on it.
That's just extra decoration.
You're gonna get sick and regret it.
Well, you're not sick from the breakfast I made you this morning, are you?
Oh.
As a kid versus as an adult.
Man, why must you go to bed so early? I want to play more. Off to work. I'm gonna miss you, Ben. I don't want to go to work.
Dear Diary, today my crush Darren looked my way. I sneakily took his head and I hid it under my bed. It smells so good.
Dear diary, today my crush Darren.
Everyone's here!
Hey you! What? You're gonna regret it when I grow up.
And how are you gonna do that?
You are gonna regret not choosing me.
Oh yeah? Why is that?
I'll beat you, Mom. I'm leaving.
Really, no.
Mom, I didn't like the way you talked to me. Oh no, the TNT is gonna explode! Oh no, what do we do?
Nobody panic! Remember, we just gotta use the power of friendship!
It's gonna blow!
Oh, no, you want it?
First day of vacation, absolutely nothing can ruin it!
Hello there.
What are you doing here? You're not supposed to come here this week!
Every summer vacation, lady, please. It's time to party.
Vacation! Oh, it's hot.
I'll take that.
I really need this.
No.
I mean, just a little bit of ice water is not gonna hurt.
Hey, he's gone!
Alright, see you next month.
Thanks for not staining my white skirt, by the way.
Yeah, sure. See you.
Bye! Oh, period! So frustrating. Yes, I got it!
Actually happened.
She's gonna enjoy it so much.
Mom, I'm home.
I'll go just in time and make you your favorite dumplings, huh?
Oh, but I already have food.
What you say?
I already bought food outside.
But Aga, I made you your favorite.
You can have it, Mommy. I'll eat it tomorrow.
Eat now lah. Tomorrow not nice already.
It's okay, you eat lah. I'm gonna go study, okay?
Okay. Go study.
Okay, bye-bye. See you, Mommy.
I can't believe this girl. We came all the way to Vietnam and she wants to have sushi.
Got a craving. What's wrong with that? Sushi masa, 5-star. Let's go.
No, I'll put my foot down on this. I cannot compromise on this. I will not allow us to have sushi in Vietnam.
I think I'm full. Happy birthday! Oh my god, you remembered!
Hey, you okay?
You forgot what day it is, didn't you?
No.
So you didn't forget that it's my birthday? Oh my god, you remembered! I can't believe I ever doubted you. I'm such a bad friend.
Surprise?
Guys, David made the fatal mistake of
Time
From the screen to the ring to the...
Let's see his reaction.
Look what I did. It's really funny.
Why must you do this? Guys, please stop doing it.
ভালো মানে খুবই ভালো জানিস আমার যখন টাকা পয়সা আর যদি না পারো তাহলে কি হবে বলো
এই মুখ আর জীবনেও দেখাবো না।
এই তুমি আমাকে স্যার কেন বলো আমি কিভাবে তোমার স্যার
আব্বা তো ওকে দেখতেছে কিন্তু ও আব্বাকে খেয়াল করে নাই জাস্ট আব্বাকে বাসায় এসেছি
ও তাই নাকি তানি আপনার কে হয় এক দাবি তানিয়া ভাবি আপনি কবে হইবেন এলাকার ভাবি
ভালোবাসি
আমরা মানুষের কাছে ভিক্ষা করি না মানুষের কাছে সুন্দর করে চাপ
এই তুই কে হ্যাঁ সেলিম ভাইকে ভালোবাসার আমি হচ্ছি সেলিম ভাইয়ের দলের
আপনার মেয়ে যাবে না স্যার
না আমার মেয়ে যাবে না আমি একা যাব এই সেলিম তুমি কই যাও ও যে তোকে রিকশা করে নিয়ে গেল
কও আমি এলাকায় না থাকলে এলাকার লোকজন তো হাহাকার করে মরে যাইব ভালোবাসার শত্রু আপনি তানিয়ারে বলবেন ওর মন পাইতে আমি এই 7 দিন খালি খাবি আর চিন্তা করবি আমি
তানিয়া তুই কি ওকে বাসায় ডেকে আনবি
জীবনেও না কোনোদিনও না
ও সরি, আমি আমার কাকে কি বলি? তুমি তো আমার 1 লক্ষ টাকা বেতনের চাকরিই করো না, তুমি কি হয়ে দিবা?
আমি বুঝি আমার মেয়ের সিকিউরিটি। শোনো, তোমাকে 15 লাখ টাকাই দিতে হবে একটা।
কিন্তু আমি এখানে এক মুহূর্ত আর থাকবো না, আমার এখানে দম বন্ধ হয়ে মারা যাবো আমি।
শৈলী রাতে বাড়িতে চলে এসেছে। তাছাড়া
তুমি যাচ্ছ বিপরীতে, আবেগ বাড়ছে বহু।
ভাই আজকে না ভাই, বুঝছেন কাজের চাপও বেশি আর বাসায় ফিরতে হবে। সিঙ্গেল মোড
মানে পরিচিত কোনো আদার্স ভালো অপশন যদি থাকে সেখানেও আমাকে একটু রেফার করেন।
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, তুমি প্যারা নিও না।
ওইভাবেই বাবার সাথে কথা বলবো। এখন তুমি কি বলো বলো, কিন্তু এখন আমাদের একটা সুস্থ জীবনে ফিরে আসা উচিত, একটা নর্মাল লাইফ লিড করা উচিত।
না হলে না হবে, আমার কোনো প্যারা নাই তো। আরে চাকরিটা
আর কত বলবো তোরে?
শোনো মা, প্রোগ্রাম আছে, ওটা শেষ করেই আসবে, আমাকে বলেছে, কথা হয়েছে।
আর আসছে যেমন ছেলে।
হ্যাঁ বাবা।
কি করছো?
তেমন কিছু না, এই যে ছাদে দাঁড়িয়ে আছি। তুমি?
আমি তো
মানে কি বলতেছো মা তুমি এগুলো? মনে বুঝিস না, এই ছেলে তো যাবে না।
আমি কিছু মাথায় নিচ্ছি না, তুমি কি বলতে চাও সেটা বলো।
করি এরকম অপেক্ষা আমি কতদিন করব বলো?
প্রতিদিন কই সব।
তবু যাচ্ছি বিপরীতে, কাছাকাছি।
বাবা বলতেছিল যে আমার তো বিয়ে করছে প্রায় 1 বছর হয়ে গেল। আমি আসতেছি।
আমারে বলতেছো
তুই আমার ধরবি না।
এই আর কি বলো, আমি বলে তোমাকে জানাবো।
ঠিক আছে বাবা।
তুমি যাচ্ছ বিপরীতে।
এই শৈলী, এই শৈলী, অ্যাড্রেস বলো, অ্যাড্রেস বলো।
সরে যাচ্ছি বহু দূরে।
গ্রেট অ্যানাউন্সমেন্ট, আমি এবং শৈলী আজকে বিয়ে করব।
এর দিনমোহরের 15 লক্ষ টাকা আপনাকে পরিশোধ করে দিতে হবে।